welcome back to the Gun Viking channel. For those of you that have seen my videos before, you know I usually shoot for groups. But I also enjoy shooting just for the fun of shooting. And my new rifle is made just for that. And this is the GSG STG44. It's made by German Sport Guns in Germany and is a replica of the MP44 or Maschinenpistole 44 as it's also known, and also known as the Stürmgewehr. The MP44 was made from late 1943 up until May 1945 when Germany surrendered. The MP44 is one of the first, if not the first, successful assault rifle. Only a few people can own the original MP44 legally or economically. I always loved the feel and look of this rifle, and this 22 caliber copy is the next best thing to the original. I've had the pleasure to shoot the original MP44 and it was very fun, especially in fully automatic. Just like the original MP44, the rifle is made of stamped steel. And the stock is wood, also just like the original. It even has the little box to have the oil and cleaning equipment in. The only difference is that the magazine of this GSG is made of plastic, but not the cheap kind. It feels pretty good and has worked great up until now. The magazines are available in 2, 10, 15 and 25 rounds capacity. I won't be doing any accuracy testing with this rifle in this video, because I haven't gotten any scope mounts for it yet. There aren't any holes drilled, nor any Picatinny or Vivo rail, but there are solutions to install a scope on this rifle, also a silencer. So today I will just shoot some steel and have fun. But first, let's take a look at how to disassemble and assemble this rifle. Before we start to disassemble the rifle, we are going to make sure that the rifle is unloaded. Take out the magazine and physically and visually check that there is no cartridge in the chamber. When you've done this, you can take out the mounting pin. Now that the mounting pin is out, you can pull off the buttstock. When it comes to cleaning the rifle, you can either just swing down the trigger group or disassemble it altogether. To disassemble it, you just take out the screw that holds the trigger group to the receiver. When you swing down the trigger group, be sure to catch the receiver end cap, otherwise it might come flying. Now we can take out the mainspring, the receiver end cap and the dampening device. And now we can take out the breech block. When assembling it, we start by installing the trigger group. Put it in place and install the pin and screw. Now the breech block. And then the mainspring. The receiver end cap with the spring. And the dampening device. Be sure to put it in the right direction. Swing up the tree group. Put on the stock. And in with the pin. That's that. And then just check the function. And now off to the range. GSG specifies that it wants high velocity ammunition to work perfectly, but I would like to try it with some standard ammunition, and I start off with the Ely Practice. This is a wax coated bullet, and I had some problem with functionality before with large capacity magazines. The first magazine worked well. Now let's shoot some more. And there we have it, the first malfunction. And the problem is that it doesn't present a new cartridge to the chamber. I believe this is because the bullets are wax coated and they stick a little bit to the walls in the magazine. It's also important to load the magazine correct. You can't just dump them into the magazine, but you have to slide each and every cartridge down and in. Now let's try the Agila Super Extra. This is also a standard velocity ammunition, and it's also wax coated. And again, failure to present a new cartridge. Now I'm going to do some shooting from the right side, which is the wrong side for me, because I'm a southpaw. Just to let you see the ejection port a little bit better. And again, failure to feed. Otherwise than the problem with the magazine to present a new cartridge, the rifle worked perfectly.
thing I was irritated by on this rifle is that the front sight post is leaning toward the left. I was able to sight it in anyway, but it's kind of irritating and shouldn't be happening on a new rifle. On my second trip to the range, I brought the Federal Black Pack. This is a copper-plated semi-high velocity cartridge, and it leaves a muzzle at 1260 feet per second. And this cartridge had perfect reliability. Well, not 100% perfect, because I had 2 or 3 malfunctions, but these were dud rounds. Otherwise, it feeded perfectly. Now the main video is over, but if you want to keep watching, you can see some footage and video that was left over from the making of this video. Until next time.